How to order a key through facilities. Once you are logged onto your computer, go to the portal and log in. Choose Employee from the toolbar. Scroll down to Requests, and you'll see Facilities Requests, including keys. You will need to log into the School Dude system. If you have not done so in the past, you have to create an account. Maintenance request is the default, and that is what you want to use. Just scroll on down. My information is auto-filled. You will enter all of your information, and it will save it for the next time. Location will be the appropriate campus that you need. Building, have your choices. Area, I will use classroom. Room number, put the actual room number for the classroom that you want a key for. Problem type, key and lock is the choice that you will need. When you describe what you need, please give them all the information. Always sign your name so that they know who submits it. Requested completion date should be within a week. I will just choose Friday. There is no attachment for this. The submittal password is the same for all requests, and it's PPCC. Just hit submit, and the request goes to facilities. And you'll see that it shows up every request that you've put in. You will receive an auto-generated email from the School Dude system with a work order number if you need to refer back to it. You will also receive an email when the key has been made so that you can notify the instructor that their key is ready.